You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name, pronunciation, how to pronounce it. Sometimes it has one N in the spelling, sometimes two. This is generally a girl's name, short for Danielle. Most common pronunciation, Danni. Some may say it as Danny. How do you pronounce it? It's not Danai though. Danni. Danni. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.